Now we see dynamo or electric generator. Dynamo is an apparatus which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. It works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic induction means what? So when the current carrying conductor is placed in between the magnetic field, because of this magnetic field, because of this bar magnetic field, this will experience the force and started to rotate, and it will change the mechanical energy into electrical energy. So it is used in the big industries, power plants. When they not enough the electric current means they use the generators, so generators will be converting the mechanical energy into electrical energy. Okay, so armature. Armature means what? Armature means already I told, copper wire and the iron core is called the armature. So in between this one iron core is there, so pure iron, soft iron. Around the iron some copper wire is rotated. Okay, copper wire is rotated. So this is called as a armature. And magnet, the armature is placed between the N and S pole. Strong, this magnet is called as a shoe magnet. Okay, it is a strong shoe magnet, strong, so horseshoe magnet. Okay, so how it is working? So here in the electric motor, circles will be half circle. Electric motor, when we see na, these circles are the half circles, but in the generators circles are the full circles. Okay, full circles are what? Full circles. And here also what is there? This one, carbon brush galvanometer. When the electricity started to flow, galvanometer deflect, it will change its direction. Okay, so this is the one. Now you see in the motor, you see we can see the battery, some power supply is there. Okay, electric current. Then here you see the galvanometer, carbon brush. Okay, arrangement you see. So next, third one, circular dual changer. R1 and R2 are metallic. Dual changer means, so this is the one only changing the electrical energy into the mechanical energy, or mechanical energy into the electrical energy. Metallic half circles which are mounted on a shaft. Okay, so these circles, this is the shaft. So on the shaft they are here, sorry, this is the shaft. So in the shaft these circles are here. Okay, so this is the one only changes the electrical energy, mechanical energy into electrical energy. Carbon brush, fixed current conducting carbon brushes B1 and B2 are placed touching the half circles R1 and R2 respectively. The brushes are joined to a galvanometer. Okay, so here these carbon brushes are joined to the circles, and this carbon brush is joined to the galvanometer, and these half circles are joined to the shaft. This is the shaft, because this shaft only will make to round this circles and this one also. Okay, so this is the one. And the next one we see process, how it is works. When an armature shaft attached to half circles is moved in such a way that arm AB above the coil is above arm CD. Okay, is above the arm CD. Then the intensity of the magnetic lines of force passing through the loops varies, and an induced current is produced in the two arms AB and CD on the loop as given by Fleming's left hand rule. The current generated in each coil of the armature would add up and create a powerful current in the loop. Loop means what? This is the loop. Okay, so this is the loop, this is the loop. So here next, in the external circuit, the current will flow from the brush B1 towards B2. After half rotation in the loop, the arm CD is now above the arm AB, and the induced current will flow from direction DCBA. The half circle R2 is now in contact with brush B1, and therefore the current flows from B1 towards B2. Okay, so here you see now, so the electricity is, this magnet will give some force, magnetic force na. Because of this force it will be started to round. First when it is started to round, current will flow from B1 to A to B, B to C, C to D, and it will go like this. But so after current started to flow in this, it started to round. First current is flowing like this na, and like this it is coming. This AB is one arm, CD is another arm. So when started to round, now AB will go on top. When it started to round na, this AB will go on top and CD will come down. CD will come down now. CD and AB will go on top. So now reverse of electricity will flow. It will not flow now A to B, B to CD. Now it will flow from D to C, and so C to D and D to, like this it will be coming when it is rounding. Okay, before rounding it went from A to B. Okay, so like this it went opposite na. So reverse flow is there. When it is started to round this armature coil, it will be there will be reverse flow of current. First it went A to B and C to D. When now A to B, when it went top, CD will take the place of the AB. So current will flow from now reverse side, from D to C, C to B and B to A. Okay, so because of this reverse flow of current only, mechanical energy will be converted into the electrical energy. In the motor electricity is flowing na? So electricity will be changing into mechanical energy. But here it is with the, because of this electromagnetic force only, because of this electromagnetic force only it is working. Okay, so because of this only, this armature will be started to rotate, and it will, current will be flowing reverse side when it is started to round. So it will change the electrical energy into the mechanical energy. To obtain alternating current, we use, instead of half circles, a circle ring. So to obtain the alternating current, that means to obtain this electrical current in the generators, they use the circle ring, due to which the AB arm of the armature is always joined to brush B1 and CD armature is the brush B2. Therefore, when the direction of the current is in the loop is ABCD, then the external circuit it flows from B2 towards B1, and when the direction is DCBA, then the external circuit it flows from B1 towards B2. Okay, so here BA is connected to the B2 and CD is connected to the B2. It is connected to B1. CD is connected to B2. So when it is current is going like this, okay, so from B1 to B2. But when current started to go from D2 like this, current will go from B to B1. Okay, so this is the way. So this is the way they will be, direction of the current reverse with every half rotation. So when it is started to rotate, the direction of the current will be reverse in the loop. This type of current which periodically, time to time, reverse its direction is known as a alternating current. Underline this point. The assembly of produced such type of electricity is known as a alternating current generator. Okay, so underline these 3 points.